What's up, guys? Part 2 of the loading options for the engineered beam trailers. We are bringing you the 12-foot hydraulic dovetail, auto-locking hydraulic dovetail. This is the second most popular, just behind the max ramps. We sell probably 60% max ramps and then 40% hydraulic dovetail. It's kind of the ratio. Hydraulic dovetails have gained in popularity like mad for the last 10 years or so. The 12-foot long one, Diamond C was the first one in the industry to do a 12-foot long hydraulic dove. Everybody else's is 9 and 10 feet. The benefit to that is it does give you a better load angle. This one's 12.5 degrees versus the industry standards like 14 degrees, 15, which is about the same as max ramps, so not a lot of benefit. So this one gives you the 12.5 degrees, which is great for being able to load lower profile vehicles and equipment on it. It lets things like scissor lifts and whatnot climb a little easier because it's not so steep. The 12-foot auto locking dove also is standard with this Blackwood forward traction, and then you got the traction cleats up at the top and the bottom. It has a couple of different options for that. If you wanted full steel all the way down, you can get full steel diamond plate, with the cleats, or full steel just diamond plate, no cleats. Few options there. The cool thing is also it comes with a wireless control. So if you're in this, like this piece of equipment or a tractor, skid steer, you can actually operate the dove from the seat of the equipment to where you can go ahead and raise yourself up and it's safer to get on and off the equipment if the dove is already up. The cool thing, it is rated at 10,000 pounds lift and carry distributed the length of the dovetail. So say you're pulling a tractor up on it, mower still back there on the dovetail, you raise it up, it can actually ride there, no problem. You just want to be smart about it. Don't put 8,000 pounds back here at the very end of the dovetail, or you may have problems. As long as you distribute that weight, you'll be fine. Most of the other brands of hydraulic doves on the market, they really limit you at only carrying 4,000 pounds on the dovetail and only lift 8,000. We don't do that. It's 10,000 distributed length of the dove, and you're ready to rock. Hydraulic dove is like the optimum solution. Like, it's the pinnacle. Just at the push of the button, you're loading. It's easy. It's smooth. It's awesome. Next, in the part 3, will be the straight deck with sliding ramps loading option. That one's the third most popular. So we'll hit that one next, and we'll see you on the road.